In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Milanote for interior design 2026. Step by step. We'll build a clear, professional workflow you can reuse for any project, from the first spark of inspiration to a polished presentation. Start by opening Milanote in your browser and creating a new board. Click New Board, then choose either a blank board for full flexibility or the mood board template if you want a head start with a visual layout. Give your board a practical name that matches your project, like living room design, so it's easy to find later and stays focused. Next, begin collecting inspiration. Upload images that express your direction, furniture you love, room styles that fit your client's taste, and layout ideas that hint at how the space might function. You can drag and drop directly from sources like Pinterest or design sites, which keeps your workflow quick. Use high-quality images so your board looks crisp when you present. Add color to shape the mood. Insert color swatches and build a palette that covers walls, furniture, and accent pieces. Keep cohesion in mind. Repeat tones to tie the space together, and note any contrast colors that add energy without overwhelming the room. Capture your thinking with notes. Jot down design ideas, preferred materials like wood or marble, and the overall style direction, modern, minimalist, or boho. Short, clear notes help you remember why each choice supports the concept. Now organize the board so it's easy to navigate. Create sections for layout ideas, furniture, lighting, decor, and accessories, and color palette. Use columns to keep everything structured and place related items near each other. A tidy board makes collaboration and decision-making much faster. With your content in place, craft a mood board. Arrange images visually, group similar styles together, and highlight a main theme with a hero image. Balance scale and spacing so the eye moves naturally across the board. This becomes the visual language of your project. Plan the layout and flow of the space. Add notes or simple sketches for furniture placement and how people will move through the room. Use arrows or lines to map ideas, marking clear paths and functional zones. Add product references to ground your concept in reality. Paste links from furniture stores or decor shops. Milanote will auto-preview them. Include brief details like dimensions or finishes in nearby notes to streamline sourcing. When you're ready for input, click Share to invite clients or team members and collect feedback directly on the board. Finally, switch to presentation mode to showcase your concept professionally, guiding viewers through your sections with confidence.